many times have you applied a filter to your list or table in Excel and wondered if you can filter by more than just the contents? I'm here to tell you that the answer is yes. There's a couple of additional options, and I'm here to show you one of them by colour. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here is sharing tips, and today it's an Excel filter tip. I'm starting out in the full Excel desktop because this has the most options. As you can see, I have got a very colourful table on my screen, and the first thing to do is to switch on filter. I can do that either through the sort and filter command, so let's just switch the filter on. You can also enable it through the data tab and the filter command there. Quick reminder that your table or list ideally should have a header row, because that's where the filter drop downs will appear. If you don't have that, then the top row will become the header in terms of the filter, and your first row of data will be excluded from any results. Going back to the filter by colour, I'm going to choose the first option, task, and click on the drop down arrow. And of course, we normally just click on the filter, but you'll notice sort of in the middle, we have filter by colour. It gives me the different colours available in the list. So let's choose red, and you can see it immediately filters it down and just shows me the ones that match my need. And quite honestly, that's actually it. You just need to apply the filter. You can also switch to a different colour. You can only filter by one colour at a time. If you're wondering, can you add additional filters to the results? Yes, you can filter on the data, but the filter by colour is not going to be available. When you're done, we can go back in. You can either return back to filter by colour and select the one it's filtered by to switch it off, or you can see we've got clear filter from the column. And honestly, it's really that easy. Now, I'm going to switch this filter off because you might also be wondering about Excel on the web. So let's switch to the web. And you can see I'm scrolling down to my second example where I've got the colour applied to the font, not the background. So let's go back to the same command, sort and filter, enable the filter. There's my arrows. If I click on the arrow for the filter on performance, you can see I've got filter by colour. It gives me my font colour, and I can now choose to filter in exactly the same way. We have the same command between Excel and Excel on the web. Give the video a thumbs up to let me know that you found this tip useful, and click the subscribe and that notification bell to be told as more tips and tricks videos are released.